Hello sweet friends, welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I have a project from the new September 1st, 2024 release from Scrapdiva Designs, and I am using the witch hat box today, and also I am using the Halloween words number 4. So let's go ahead and take a look at these dies. This is the hat box right here, and what you get in this, let me flip it over. This is actually the front side. So the brim on the witch hat box measures 5 inches wide. Okay, so this is your base piece, and it does have stitching on it. And then this piece is used to decorate your brim of your hat. And then this piece is what you use this for, to create your gift box for inside your hat. And this right here is a buckle for your hat. And you'll cut 2 of these to put around this piece right here. And I'll show you the inside of my box. This is trim to put around the base of your hat if you want to have a contrasting brim on there. And then on this side, you got the word Hocus Pocus with a background. And this is your hat piece, and you'll need to cut 2 of these. And it does have scoring on this side, which you fold over to create your hat. And then these pieces with the stitching are used to cut on designer paper to decorate your hat. So that is that die. And once I pull this into view, I can give you it's going to be 5 inches high. So you're going to have it 5 inches wide by 5 inches high. And once I pull it into view, I will measure it again to make sure that is accurate for you. And then we have Halloween words number 4, and I use the word spooky from this die set. And you get many different words in this die set. And they are broom, vibes, hocus pocus, hey boo, spooktacular, trick or treat. And you can use those any way you want in any of your projects. And I decided to use the word spooky. You can also use hocus pocus on your hat that comes with the set. So I will leave affiliate links in the description box below for these dies to make it easy for you to shop. Affiliate links don't cost you anything extra, and they help me in my channel. And I thank you all so very much for using them. I really appreciate it. You can also use Carol10 at checkout for 10% off your order. Before I pull my project into view here, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So I will pull these out of the way, and I stuck this on. I'm now going to turn it up a little bit so you can see that I did put this up on a candle. So if you want a gift to give to someone, if you're going to their house for dinner and you're bringing a hostess gift, or you just want to give this to your daughter or your granddaughter, this would look really cute attached to the top of a Halloween or fall candle. And I wanted you to see what that looked like. I think it's so super cute. But here is my hat, and I did not stick it on here yet. So I'm going to pull it down this way and bring you down here so you can see this. Now, this is a gift box, and so the top comes off like this. And there is the inside, and of course you can see that 5 bracelets fit into this box. So these are, and it matches this with the orange and the black and the purple. And so you can fit these. Now I showed you how to make these bracelets. So this is a really cute gift. Or you could actually give this if you have someone special coming to your house to trick or treat. You could give this to that someone special. Sometimes you have a neighbor who has a daughter that maybe babysits your kids, or even a young girl coming over would love to have this in their little trick-or-treat bag. I personally am having a Halloween party, so I will be making this for the girls that are coming to the Halloween party. And I'm not sure what I'm going to make the guys, but I'll show you that. So I will be making more of these, so you will see they're not all going to be the same. They're going to be different. And this will be actually awesome as part of the decoration for the party as well. So it's really easy to put together, and it goes together really quickly. As you can see, I put a flower here with some gold leaf, and I tied this tulle around. You can get this at the Dollar Tree, and I just cut it in half and used half of it. So here is the other piece I'm going to use on another one, and all I did was just fold it like that and tie it around the hat. And I just tacked it a little bit here and there with a little bit of hot glue. And then this is the fall Halloween cottage kids. There is the spooky, and I put a little pom-pom on top. And that's what it looks like. Oh, this is supposed to go this way. I didn't put it back on correctly. It's supposed to go just like that. And I have some little diamond dots here to decorate the brim. So that is my project for today. And like I said, I will be coming back with more of these. If you would like me to do a tutorial for this, please leave that in the description box below so that I know when I come back with another project share with this die that I will do the tutorial on how to put this together. So thank you all for joining me today. I really appreciate it. So until the next video, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.